Welcome to PropertyAce.org, redefining real estate with a dash of spark. Your insider look at unconventional real estate tips and game-changing investment strategies. Embrace innovation while conquering home buying, gliding through rental management, and dancing through interior design trends. Add a splash of creativity with house renovation and DIY home improvement ideas. Stay ahead with the latest market trends and rock your journey with our first-time homebuyer tips. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And let's make property your dynamic canvas. All changes of expression are brought about through a change of feeling. A change of feeling is a change of destiny.
Why me? Even when you do everything right, or according to the book, when investing in property, you can still come out at a loss. The truth is, nothing in life is fixed or set to a pattern, as much as we may like to think it is. It's the same with property. Forget what all those property gurus tell you. There is no blueprint for coming out on top in property every time you invest. And that's not being pessimistic or looking on the negative side. It's just what is. So here are some of the reasons why you can do everything right, or according to the book, and still make a loss. So don't beat yourself up. It's just the way things go. Some of these reasons you can fix. Why? Because now you'll know and recognize them. Others not so much. Because they're natural disasters that can come to anyone at any time. So here are 3 reasons why you can do everything right as a property investor and still make a loss. Market fluctuations. Real estate markets can be unpredictable. Even if you've made sound real estate decisions, factors like economic downturns, local market conditions, or changes in supply and demand can impact property values and rental income. Unexpected expenses. Property ownership comes with ongoing costs, such as maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and unexpected repairs. These expenses can eat into your profits and potentially lead to losses. Financing risks. If you've taken out a mortgage or used leverage to invest in properties, interest rate changes can affect your expenses. A sudden increase in interest rates can significantly impact your cash flow, making it difficult to cover your costs. Despite your best efforts and due diligence, these external factors can influence the outcome of your property investments and lead to financial losses. Here are 3 other reasons that can lead to financial losses in your property business. Personal challenges such as death, divorce, or health issues. Major life events like the death of a family member or a divorce can create significant financial and emotional stress. These situations can divert your attention away from managing your properties effectively, leading to missed opportunities or poor decision making. Emotional attachment. Sometimes, real estate investors become emotionally attached to their property, which may lead them to make decisions based on sentiment rather than financial prudence. This can result in overinvestment in a property, or reluctance to sell, when it would be financially beneficial. Psychological biases. Cognitive biases, such as overconfidence, confirmation bias, or the sunk cost fallacy, can cloud judgment when making investment decisions. Investors may hold on to underperforming properties, or ignore warning signs due to these biases, ultimately leading to financial losses. The sunk cost fallacy is a cognitive bias that occurs when individuals continue to invest time, money, or resources into a project or decision based on the fact that they have already invested a significant amount, even if continuing that investment is not the best course of action from a rational standpoint. In other words, people tend to think that because they've already committed resources, they should stick with it, even if it's not in their best interest. Key points about the sunk cost fallacy. Past investments. It focuses on past investments or costs that cannot be recovered, hence the term sunk. These are expenses or efforts that are already spent and should not be a primary factor in current decision making. Irrational decision making. The fallacy leads to irrational decision making. It disregards current and future benefits and emphasizes on the desire to get your money's worth from the initial investment. Impact in various areas. The sunk cost fallacy can affect decisions in various aspects of life, from business and investments to personal relationships. For example, a business may continue a failing project because of the money already invested. Or an individual might stay in a deteriorating relationship for fear of wasted years together. Overcoming the sunk cost fallacy involves recognizing that past investments should not dictate future choices. It's important to assess decisions based on their current and future potential, rather than being overly influenced by the unrecoverable costs incurred in the past.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time for another insight into the exciting world of property.